Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about collarbones. Now, I don't know if this is the most popular thing to contour, but how many videos are out there of how to contour your cheekbones? The new thing is all about the collarbones. Haven't you heard? So today I'm showing how I contour and highlight my collarbones. Now I oddly have deep collarbones already. I don't know why, but I do. I don't know. I've always had like weirdly deep collarbones. You can see your collarbones by kind of pushing your shoulders forward and tensing up. So the product we'll be using is an Anastasia cream contour stick in the color Mink. So with this contour stick, I apply it directly up underneath my collarbones. So right up underneath where you feel the bone is where you're going to place that contour. I place it in a line up underneath the bones and also over top of the bones. I'm going to put it in that little cup looking part of my collarbones. Not everyone is the same, obviously. This is just how my bones look. I also contour that little spot that's directly in the center of my neck and center of the collarbones. I don't know what that is called. It's just the hollow right at the base of the neck. I contour that as well. To blend all of this out, I use my fingers. I really just love using fingers to do this. You can apply and blend this out with a brush, and if you do, I would recommend the Morphe E47 brush. Once that's all blended out, it's time to highlight, which is always my favorite part of everything. I'm still not over it. I'm sorry. I'm stuck back in 2016 and probably will be forever. The highlighter that I'm using is the Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold, and I will be using a Lancome brush to apply this. I don't know the name of this brush. The name has rubbed off. So with this, I'm applying it directly to the bone. So we avoided the bones before, but now we're going to apply directly where you feel your bone. Right on top of it at the highest point and going all the way across where you feel that bone. Then, this is kind of a little trick of mine to really make you look kind of glossy and glowy, and that's to turn your neck and clench your jaw. When you do that, you're going to see this area pop out on your neck. I don't know what it is. It's a vein or something, maybe? I don't know. I'm not a doctor. So when you do that, whatever that is pops out, and you're going to highlight that as well. And that's it, honestly, guys. Like, it's so easy. I love doing this, especially in the summer when I'm showing a lot of skin. I think it's really beautiful to have contoured and highlighted collarbones, especially when the sun's hitting and it's hitting that beautiful shimmer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, please, and share this with your friends and family. Maybe they want to contour their collarbones too. You never know.